What's up, guys? Victor with i15RV. I have something exciting to show you guys today. This Micro Lite behind me has a bunk bed room. I didn't think a 26-foot trailer could even have a bunk bed room, but Micro Lite managed to do it. Let me show it to you guys. Here she is. This is the 2025 Micro Lite 25FBH. She's 25 feet, 11 inches long, and 5,900 pounds dry. You have electric PSX2 electric stabilizing jacks, a window on the front cab, a LED light strip here. You get 2 propane bottles, a spot to put 2 batteries, a 3,000 pound electric tongue jack, and I believe there's also 2 solar panels on this unit as well. You get tandem axle with the Dexter Torflex, axles, nitrogen filled Goodyear endurance tires, speakers on the outside, frameless windows, shower port back here, couple more PSX2 stabilizing jacks, electric stabilizing jacks, ladder on the back, spare tire, all your water hookups are there, hitch on the back to put a bike rack on, all that fun stuff. And this unit is going to have 2 slide outs as well. Let me show it to you guys. So take a minute to soak this unit in. I know a lot of people are not a fan of Murphy beds, and I'll be honest with you, I'm not either. But a big reason why people are not fans of Murphy beds is because a lot of Murphy beds on the market fold in the middle, lacking support for your back, making your back hurt. But if you look at this unit, the reason why I love the Murphy bed setup from Flagstaff is because the entire apparatus folds down in one piece. There's no creases in the middle of the mattress. The entire bed folds up and down at one time. You get that window in the front cap we talked about before. We get storage here to hang up some clothes. Drawer there, drawer on that side, GFI there, all that fun stuff. And of course, this goes up and away, super easy. You pull that black tab, fold it back up, couple of pins to lock it in place. That way you're safe as you are transporting this unit, and that bed is not folding down on you while you're on the go. Smart TV already installed, Magic Chef microwave, 3-burner stovetop, really nice gray stone oven. You get a metal sink, matte black finish on the faucet, metal drain mat. You get these fun extendable plug towers in the unit. Get a nice fridge here, folds open like this with the freezer drawer down below. Absolutely beautiful fridge. 12 volt as well, by the way. No need for any propane. Oh, I just noticed. This is the dual swing fridge. So the fridge opens this way as well as this way. That is super cool. Just to show you guys here as well, you have a U-shaped dinette that will also turn into a bed. More storage underneath. And your control panel, in case you were wondering, is motion activated, and it is right here. Now, one thing I wanted to point out, a couple of things. One, on the light switches, if you press and hold the light switches, they dim. So I'm going to show you that one more time. So I'm going to press it here. I might have to press it twice, and you'll see the light slowly dimming. And then when you want to relight them, just press and hold them again, and they will light back up. If you let your finger go in the middle of that process, you can actually control where it stops dimming. So it doesn't have to be all the way down or all the way up. You can start dimming it and then halfway decide to leave it alone. Also, Bluetooth. You are able to Bluetooth the WeRV, this control panel to your phone. So everything that you can control from here, you can control on your phone, which is extremely convenient. All right, over here you've got storage space above and below on this wall here, and this is the part I was excited to show you guys. You've got a hidden bunk room, or just a bunk room, in the trailer. You get a big window in the back, so you can let some air in here. Storage underneath, GFI back there. You have a spot to mount a TV on this wall. Before you ask, there are vents from the AC back here. There's 1 and 2 vents that will ventilate the AC back here to keep the kids cool. You've got a bunk up there that will flip up, stow away. Got more window space there to let in more of a breeze. This dinette will make into a bed, and of course you've got drawer space below each side of the dinette. I think this is extremely cool, right? Because a 26-foot trailer having a bunk room to put the kids down in the evening, close the door, right? And then give mom and dad privacy or time to hang out and watch TV. I think that is amazing that Micro Lite has achieved that on a 26-foot trailer. Now, just because you have a bunk bedroom doesn't mean you are lacking in the bathroom. So you still get a rectangular shower with that shower miser system, which circulates your water while it heats up, so that way you're only turning on the switch when hot water's coming out. Just so you guys know, that blue part there will turn white when the water recirculating through it is hot. That way you know to flip this back down, and then only hot water will come out of your faucet. You have little shelves, storage, plenty of linen storage for all your towels. You have a air fan there, ventilation from the AC, a porcelain foot flush toilet. You get a medicine cabinet here with lots of shelving space for all your toothbrushes, toothpaste, all that fun stuff. Little hand towel rack, GFI, light switches, accent lighting underneath, 1-piece sink, matte black finish on the faucet, and you get a bunch of drawer space. Those are actually soft close drawers too, I just noticed. This bathroom is awesome. So guys, if you are a family of 4 and you want to get a smaller unit with a separate bunk room space for the kids, and you need to find something that's, less than 6,000 or 7,000 pounds, this is the trailer for you. Text me or call me 760-559-6103, or go to i15rv.com to look at this unit, look at all the specs, dimensions, pictures, all that fun stuff. Please reach out to me if you want to see this unit. A lot of people will just kind of show up and say, hey, I saw the unit on YouTube, I want to see it. Please call or text me to schedule an appointment. That way I can also let you know if it is still available. We've had it happen too many times where someone will see a video from us on YouTube, come in to look at it, and it's already sold. So text me or call me. Also, that way I get the sale too, guys. Come on. Text me or call me, schedule an appointment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave us a comment, let us know what you thought of the unit, like the video. That way it pushes our videos out to more RV families like yourself. And as always, I appreciate you guys. Cannot wait to see you on the next video.